Introducing the game-changing Allan 12-row Revolution planter. Engineered for precision and built for performance. With capacity of up to 60,000 pounds of product, the seed and fertilizer hopper sizes can be tailored to your specific operation. The frame and hopper design offers a new level of versatility to your operation. The only potato planter with individual row depth control, giving you unprecedented control and precision across varying field conditions. The Allan designed and built track system minimizes soil compaction, protecting your field's long-term productivity. Each row singulates up to 10 seed pieces per second to allow speeds up to 7 miles per hour, with near-perfect seed population and accuracy. Available with scales for both seed and fertilizer hoppers, enabling true variable rate planting for optimized yield potential. Compact 14-foot transport width makes moving between fields simple and efficient. The Allan Revolution planter is the first planter that strives for perfection in spacing accuracy, seed population, seed depth, and nutrient placement. This is the first true precision potato planter. Contact Allan Equipment today to revolutionize your operation.